Good morning, grade 7 students. I hope that you are doing well. In this video, we will continue with our lesson, electricity. We will explain the rated voltage, so let's start. A wide variety of dry cells are available in the market. On each of these cells, the manufacturer indicates its voltage in volts. So the SI unit of voltage is volts. We already agreed on it in the previous video. Its symbol is V, so the symbol of the SI unit is V, while the symbol of the voltage is U. We also agreed on it in the previous video. Now, we have to write the indication that appears on each of the cells of document 20. The round cell, it can provide 1.5 volts. So we can say that U equals to 1.5 volts. The voltage equals to 1.5 volts. The rectangular cell, it can provide 9 volts. So we can say that U equals to 9 volts. The voltage of this rectangular cell is equal to 9 volts, while the flat cell can provide 4.5 volts. So U equals to 4.5 volts. Similarly, the lamps are not identical. On each of them, the manufacturer indicates the voltage they require to function normally. So, the written voltage on each lamp represents the voltage they require to function normally. What do we call this voltage? This voltage is called the rated voltage, which means that the rated voltage is the voltage they require to function normally. Write the indication that appears on each of the lamps of document 21, lamp A. On lamp A, we have 3 volts. 3 volts is written on lamp A. So the rated voltage equals to 3 volts. This lamp needs 3 volts to function normally. Lamp B, 6 volts is written on it. So this lamp needs 6 volts to function normally, so the rated voltage is 6 volts. While lamp C needs 12 volts to function normally, the rated voltage equals to 12 volts. As a conclusion, the voltage of a dry cell is always written on it. The SI unit of voltage is the volt V. The indication that appears on the lamp represents the rated voltage. What is the rated voltage? This value corresponds to the normal functioning of the lamp indicated by the manufacturer. Now we have to choose the perfect dry cell. A lamp is adapted to a dry cell. So the lamp is considered adapted to a dry cell when the voltage across its terminals is close to the rated voltage of the cell, or if it's equal to the rated voltage. The lamp then shines normally. A lamp is under voltage when the voltage across its terminals is lower than its rated voltage. The lamp then shines weakly. A lamp is over voltage when the voltage across its terminals is greater than its rated voltage. Then the lamp shines strongly. We will explain them in the coming slides. So let's connect successively a lamp labeled 4.5 volts across the terminals of different dry cells. First, the lamp is connected across the terminals of a 1.5 volts dry cell, as seen in document 22. So, the rated voltage of this lamp is 4.5 volts. This lamp needs 4.5 volts to function normally. We connect it to a 1.5 volts battery. Does the lamp shine weakly or strongly? The lamp shines weakly. Is the dry cell suitable for the lamp? No, it's not. As we said, to consider a dry cell suitable for the lamp, it must be close or equal to the rated voltage. Is the lamp over voltage or under voltage? You have to justify. It's under voltage. The lamp is under voltage. Why? Since the voltage across its terminals is 1.5 volts, lower than its rated voltage, which is 4.5 volts. So when the voltage across the lamp is lower than its rated voltage, we consider the lamp under voltage. Now, the lamp is connected across the terminals of a 4.5 volts dry cell. Again, we are working with the same lamp. The rated voltage of this lamp is 4.5 volts. Now we connected to a 4.5 volts dry cell. Does the lamp shine normally? Yes. Is the dry cell adapted to the lamp? Yes, since the voltage provided by the battery is equal to the rated voltage, so the dry cell is adapted to the lamp. Now, the lamp is finally connected across the terminals of a 9 volts dry cell, as seen in document 24. Again, we are working with the same lamp. The rated voltage of this lamp is 4.5 volts. We connect it to a 9 volts battery. Does the lamp shine weakly or strongly? The lamp shines strongly. Is the dry cell adapted to the lamp? Of course not. Why? Since the voltage provided is greater than the rated voltage, so we do not consider it as adapted to the lamp. Is the lamp over voltage or under voltage? I have to justify. It's obvious that it is over voltage, since the voltage across its terminals, which is 9 volts, is larger than its rated voltage, which is 4.5 volts. So when the voltage across the terminals of a lamp is larger than its rated voltage, we consider the lamp as over voltage. What might happen to the lamp after a short time? The lamp shines strongly and is at risk of getting burned. Since we are providing more voltage than it can handle, the lamp is at risk of getting burned. So as a conclusion, the indication that appears on a dry cell represents its voltage. The SI unit of voltage is volt. The indication that appears on a lamp represents its rated voltage. It is the required voltage so that the lamp will function normally. A dry cell is suitable for a lamp when its voltage is close to the rated voltage of the lamp. The lamp then shines normally. When the voltage of a dry cell is higher than the rated voltage of the lamp is over voltage, then it shines strongly and may be burned. And when the voltage of a dry cell is lower than the rated voltage of the lamp is under voltage, therefore it shines weakly. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to copy the notes on your copybooks, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me. I hope to see you all very soon.